Alright, coming to Texas Roadhouse for Steena's birthday dinner. Hi Steena, birthday girl. Hi. Let's go in. Look at Steena, there's so much food to go.
I know, I'm tired of eating.
Yeah, couldn't finish it. Too much food. Too much food.
Like tomorrow's dinner and lunch right here.
I'm at Michael's 吃完饭以后的散步 and we found this really cool carousel. Yeah, you can get it and put it in your
It's gonna be like...
I'm gonna destroy it. It's on sale, just $3. Alright, gonna put this merry-go-round. No, not merry-go-round. What is this called? 摩天轮. Ferris wheel. I'm gonna put this Ferris wheel in here. And then maybe I'll play with it. Alright, Steena's birthday! Yay! How old are you? Secret! So yeah, celebrating Steena's birthday. So what we have here is a strawberry Creole New Orleans special cake from Rouse's.
Yeah!
Strawberry flavor. Yeah. So
You sound like you're doing a commercial.
so let's sing the song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Steena. Happy birthday to you. One more time, Chinese. 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐 Yay! Now one more time in Spanish. I don't know how to sing that.
I don't know how to sing
One
that.
more time in Japanese. 誕生日おめでとう I don't know how to sing that either. Okay. So 生日快乐 Happy birthday, Steena. So four handle means she is 40 something years old. No, it means she's forever young.
Yeah.
Oh, 4. Okay, make your wish now before I burn out.
3 wishes. And I say the first.
Yeah.
Okay, so I wish we can move closer to our family next year. Good luck, Jason.
Yay.
I wish all my family and friends are very happy in their life and wherever they are.
Yay. Okay, last wish. Okay? Huh? Alright, wait, we have to take a picture first.
Oh.
Pause the video to take a picture and then we'll resume right here. Alright, resuming video. Where were we? Blowing candle time! Yeah!
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, gonna blow.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Cake eating time! Yay! Okay, let's see what flavor it is. Oh, there's
Strawberry.
Yep. Alright, gonna eat the cake now. Okay.
It's very pretty.
Yeah, eat first. It's different from the usual cake I got for Steena. Cookie cake or cheesecake or pie.
Yeah, we had a cookie cake last time. It's really good. I like it.
It is really good. Wow, Roadhouse make good cake. It's not too sweet. Yum 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 yum. It's not too sweet. Try the cream. Cream is really good too, very thick. Like this is cream cheese, it's not butter. Right? This part.
Yeah.
Right? It's cream cheese. Wow.
That is good. It's like, Jason, why did you eat the stem as well?
Strawberry is good. Strawberry so caca. I want milk now. Yep. So, how was your birthday?
I got a lot done.
You got a lot of things done?
Yeah.
She took a day off for her birthday. She's like, it's my birthday, not working today. I never take my birthday off.
Yeah, that's a very legit reason to take a day off.
I wish
And
I
it's
could do
Monday. Monday's the worst day in the whole week.
that.
It's my birthday.
Okay.
Why do I want to work on a
I
Monday?
don't know. We have like job obligations, you know.
The paperwork is still going to be there tomorrow and the next week, so it's fine.
So I think here is some present for you. I think this is from my mom.
Oh.
I don't know what it is. I think both bags are. Not sure, but I'm gonna give both of it to you. You can open and tell me what it is. Is that for you? I don't think that's for me.
I don't think. Oh, it's a dress.
It's a dress. I'll show it to the camera. It's a dress. Ooh, 无袖的. No sleeve, right? No sleeve.
This is really hot here.
Nice. And then there's another bag. I don't think it's mine either.
Oh.
Oh, can you show it in the middle?
Oh.
What is this?
It's a legging with skirt.
Oh, it's a 肚皮舞 dancing.
It kind of look like
Yeah, yeah. She's gonna dance.
But it's really good for exercising.
So many.
Oh, and a hat.
You got so many stuff. Oh, a flowery hat.
The flower hat was
The button. Oh, straps. Oh, hey, match your clothes actually. Polka dots. And then what is that last one?
Oh, it's another dress. It's a more grown-up dress.
Wow, so many dresses, Steena.
I like dresses.
You like dresses?
Bracelets is really easy to put on, and you can be
Do you like them?
Yeah, they're nice. Thank you.
You say Chinese.
谢谢。
And here's a gift from me. It's
Did you leave the price tag?
Oh
there
yeah,
on purpose?
I leave the old price tag there on purpose. It's actually on sale, but it looks good, huh? Here it is. Oh yeah, she's already been using it for a couple of weeks now because she can't wait for her
No,
birthday
you
present.
can't wait because you already have
I got
one.
one too. So I haven't made a video review about this product. I've been waiting until Steena's birthday so I can like make the video, you know. So here it is.
And you gave it to me early because you want.
I want to use it, and
too.
then she's gonna be like, "Oh, Jason's using it. I want it now too." So I'm like, "Okay, I'll give it to you earlier." So here it is.
No, because you said you're like, I have to wait until your birthday to use mine.
No, I wasn't gonna wait for you. I'm gonna use it anyway, but you're gonna know what your birthday gift is, so I might as well just give it to you. Did you like it though? You've been using it for a couple of weeks now. Pebble 2.
Pebble 2.
Mm-hmm. How do you
I
like it?
it.
What's the best feature?
I can know how long I slept.
Oh yeah, so it tracks your sleeps, it tracks your heart rate and
Yeah,
exercise.
the heart rate is really useful also, and I really like that you can see your text message.
Yeah.
So whenever we go out and shop, when Jason can't find me, I can realize.
Oh yeah, she always put her phone in the
Yeah, because
purse.
no, we always put our phone in my purse, and sometimes I don't hear the message.
Yeah, so now it will shake, vibrate in her hand, she'll know there's like
Yeah,
an
so
incoming
I-
call or text.
So
That's really
useful.
I think it's super useful for me too. Yeah, when I was in the hospital in like patient
Are we doing a
room.
review right now?
Why are we doing a review? Anyway, we'll do the real review next time. Steena's birthday today. Happy birthday, Steena. Like the steak today?
I love the steak. Yeah, we always go there on my birthday.
Yeah, Texas Roadhouse, right?
Roadhouse.
The waitress is really
I know,
nice.
she's so
sweet.
nice. She's very
She
sweet.
gave us so many bread that way.
I know.
We got a whole week of breakfast covered.
We order so much.
Yeah, and then we got the coupon for Steena's birthday, so we get free appetizer.
Free
A
appetizer.
huge onion, as you see in the video. Yeah.
It's really good though.
Yeah.
The sauce is really good. Kind of mustardy.
Yeah, so this video is just about talking for fun. Happy birthday, Steena. Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you for the birthday wishes. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching our video. JS Adventure is a snippet of our daily lives and travel.
谢谢收看我们的频道 ，J's Adventure 记录了我们的日常生活跟旅游记事。
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. See you guys next time.
下集见，
拜拜。